Hi, good day mga papa. Andito tayo ngayon sa BGC. Biyernes Santo ngayon. Samahan nyo kaming isa-isahin ang Station of the Cross dito sa BGC. Andito tayo ngayon sa Station 1. Jesus is condemned to death. Lipat naman tayo ngayon dito sa Station 2. Jesus takes up his cross. Pwede i-lift? Ang bigat. Ang bigat. Okay, papunta na dito sa station number 3. Jesus falls the first time. Step on uneven ground. Each misstep reminds us of misstep reminds us of the burdens we carry and the strength we needed to rise again. So ngayon, we're on our way to station number 4. Dapat talaga ginagawa to every Holy Week, yung magnilay-nilay. We take a pause and we reflect kung ano yung mga self-check ba, kung ano yung mga naging mali natin, and syempre magbasa ng Bible and alalahanin yung sacrifice ni Jesus para sa atin. So dito na tayo sa Jesus meets his mother. Breathe in the fragrance, in the scent. Feel the silent strength of a mother's unwavering love. Amoy natin.
May amoy?
Amoy.
Ano amoy, wey? Bango.
Bango.
Mabango naman.
At ngayon, dito na tayo sa fifth station. A bystander helps Jesus carry the cross. What's this? Push the stone forward. Even a small burden is heavy. How can we help those in need? Ang bigat ah.
Si Os dapat try.
We're on our way to number 6. Ito nga palang mga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ito yung representation ng journey papunta sa cross ni Jesus, papunta sa cross. Kung ano yung mga nadaanan niya, dinaanan niya.
Ano experience niya.
Ini-explain dito on each
Step by
station.
step.
Step by step. 6. A woman shows, feel the wind blows through and imagine the relief that once. Station number 7. Jesus falls the second time. Step carefully over the uneven stones. Each stumble reminds us that we too can rise again. Ang zero, no? Jesus meets the women of Jerusalem. A basin of water is placed before you. Dip your hands into it and be reminded of tears shed in sorrows, but also a cleansing renewal and grace. Let's proceed to station number 9. We're here at station 9. Jesus falls the third time. Stand still on the uneven ground. Feel the exhaustion of repeated struggle, but also the strength and rise. Let's go to station 10. Jesus is stripped of his garments. Touch the rough fabric. Station 11. Ito na yung pinaka-nakakalungkot, pero ito na yung parang climax. Saan yung metal?
Close na ako. Naka-close na ganyan.
As you can see, the nails, station 12, Jesus dies on the cross. Ito na, station 14, last station. Jesus is laid in the tomb. Thank you for walking with Jesus. Ito na magtatapos yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat sa pagsama.